Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate Mamo on your checkout page using our new inline embedded model. For example, this is a sample checkout page for a flower shop. If you scroll down, we're going to see that we have our payment methods right here: Google Pay, credit or debit card, and if it was applicable, Apple Pay. The payment methods are loaded in an iframe on top of your checkout page. No need for a pop-up or a redirect. It's a completely frictionless checkout experience. To achieve this, we need two simple changes, one on our front end and one on our back end. On our back end, we need to call the Create Payment Link API. This API will return to us a payment link that will then be loaded on the front end. Let's see how we can call it. First, we need to fill out all the required fields, which are the title, the amount, and the currency. So after you fill in the title, the amount, and the currency, you need to fill the link type to be inline. That way, the payment link's HTML knows that it's going to be loaded in an iframe. Also, you can fill in the first name and last name, which are the first name and the last name of the customer paying. That way, the cardholder name would be auto-populated on the checkout page. Now, after the payment link is created, we need to pass it to a simple HTML code provided by Mamo to you. So the code is as follows. In the headers, we load a script from Mamo called checkout inline 2.min.js, and we simply add the following div to our code: ID Mamo checkout element. Then in the scripts, we simply create a new instance of the Mamo Pay class, and we pass the payment link to the add iframe to website method. Now the payment link is created, it's passed to the front end, and then it is rendered on your checkout page. After the payment is done, you can fill in the redirect URLs to redirect your customers to either a success page or a failed page in case the payment was unsuccessful.